Hello. These instructions are for the Shaker Wall Kit, partial wall installation. This kit has a coverage of 1.2 square meters. If your area is greater, then you will need additional kits. Before you begin, please ensure you have all the components listed. Make sure you have the right tools for the job. You will need a tape measure, a pencil, a level, some adhesive, and also a nail gun. Decide on whether you intend to panel the full wall or just part of the way up. In this guide, we will cover a partial installation on a 2-meter wall. For a full wall installation, please see our other guide. Measure the width of the wall you want to be paneled. Now subtract the width of a panel strip from your wall width. In our example, 2000 minus 63 equals 1937 millimeters. Divide this measurement by the number of panels you would like to run across the wall. We are using a 4-panel run, so 1937 divided by 4 will give you 484 mm centers. To calculate the actual distance between each panel strip, we simply subtract the width of one panel strip, so 484 minus 63 equals 421 mm. Now that we know the distance between the vertical panel strips, we can calculate how many panels up the wall we want to go. In our example, we are going 3 panels up the wall with 421 mm between horizontal panel strips to give us a square panel. Draw the layout onto the wall using a straight edge and a spirit level. Starting with the horizontal lines, measure up 63 mm and draw a line. Then measure up 421 and draw another line. Repeat until all horizontal strips have been drawn. Repeat the procedure for all the vertical lines. Your layout should now be complete. At this stage, you may need to cut the strips to size. Starting with the bottom horizontal strip, apply adhesive to the back. Offer the strips up to the wall and align to the layout guide. Now you can secure the strips with the nail gun. Once all your panels are on the wall, fill any gaps and joints with decorator's cork, wiping away any excess with a damp cloth. Once the cork has dried, sand it to a smooth finish, then you'll be ready to paint. Once it's painted, it'll be time to stand back and admire your work. For inspiration, ideas, and our product range, visit our website.